Paris Olympics 2024 medal tally as of August 5. Ayan mga idol, babasahin natin ang mga nakakuha na po ng gold. Ayan, at ang mga naka-silver at bronze, hindi po tignan kung ilan ang nakuha na nilang medal. Number 1, USA, 19 gold. Number 2, China, 19 gold. Number 3, France, 12 gold. Number 4, Australia, 12 gold. Number 5, Great Britain, 10 gold. Number 6, South Korea, 10 gold. Number 7, Japan, 9 gold. Number 8, Italy, 7 gold. Number 9, Netherlands, 6 gold. Number 10, Germany, 5 gold. Number 11, Canada, 5 gold. Number 12, Hungary, 3 gold. Number 14, Romania, 3 gold. Number 14, Ireland, 3 gold. Number 15, New Zealand, 2 gold. Number 16, Sweden, 2 gold. Number 17, Ukraine, 2 gold. Number 18, Croatia, 2 gold. Number 19, Belgium, 2 gold. Number 20, Hong Kong, China, 2 gold. Number 21, Azerbaijan, 2 gold. Number 22, ayan po ang ating Philippines, 2 gold. Ayan, nakakuha po kagabi si Carlos Yulo ng pangalawang gold para sa ating bansa. Number 23, Serbia, 2 gold. Number 24, Brazil, 1 gold. Number 25, Israel, 1 gold. Number 26, Spain, 1 gold. Number 27, Georgia, 1 gold. Number 28, Switzerland, 1 gold. Number 29, Kazakhstan, 1 gold. Number 30, South Africa, 1 gold. Number 31, Chinese Taipei, 1 gold. Number 32, Uzbekistan, 1 gold. Number 33, Czechia, 1 gold. Number 34, Guatemala, 1 gold. Number 35, Algeria, 1 gold. Number 36, Argentina, 1 gold. Number 37, Chile, 1 gold. Number 38, Dominica, 1 gold. Number 39, Ecuador, 1 gold. Number 40, Saint Lucia, 1 gold. Number 41, Norway, 1 gold. Number 42, Slovenia, 1 gold. At number 43, Uganda, 1 gold. Ayan mga idol, ang medal tally sa Paris Olympic. Ayan, muli po mga idol, tignan nyo lang po kung ilan ang kanilang silver at bronze. At kung ilan ang kanilang total medal na nakuha ngayong August 5, 2024. Ayan, muli po mga idol, antabi po tayo sa mga susunod na update sa medal tally. Maraming salamat po. Follow, like, and share.